Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the delay function in Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Power Automate account credentials. This will give you access to all the flow creation tools and features available in the platform. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side panel of the screen where you'll see several navigation options. Look for and click on the option labeled Create. This will open up a menu with different types of flows you can build depending on your automation needs. From the Create menu that appears, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect when you want to trigger automation manually or through specific events. A new window will pop up asking you to choose a trigger for your flow. Go ahead and click on Manually Trigger a Flow, then click the Create button to confirm your selection. This sets up the foundation for your automated workflow. Now you'll see your flow canvas with the manual trigger already in place. To add the delay action, click on the plus icon that appears below your trigger. This plus icon is how you add new steps to your automation sequence. Once you click it, a search field will appear where you can look for different actions and connectors. In the search field, type delay and you'll see the delay action appear in the results. Click on it to add it to your flow. The delay action is particularly useful because it pauses your flow for a specified amount of time before continuing to the next step. This gives you control over the timing and pacing of your automation, which is essential when you need to wait for external processes to complete or want to schedule actions at specific intervals. After adding the delay action, you'll see a configuration panel appear with two main fields you need to set up. The first field is labeled Count. This is where you specify the numerical value for how long you want the delay to last. For example, you can input the number 3 in this field. This number will work together with the unit you select next to determine the total delay duration. Next, look at the drop-down menu labeled Unit right below the Count field. Click on this drop-down and you'll see several time unit options available, including day, hour, minute, month, second, or week. Choose whichever time unit best fits your automation needs. For instance, if you entered 3 in the count field and select minutes from this dropdown, your flow will pause for 3 minutes before moving to the next action. Once you've configured your delay settings with both the count and unit values, you can continue building your flow by adding more actions after the delay. Simply click the plus icon again below the delay action to add whatever subsequent steps you need for your automation to perform. And that's it. You've successfully configured a delay action in Power Automate, giving you precise control over the timing of your automated workflows. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.